Good morning, beautiful souls. It's Monday, happy Monday, meditation Monday, and I'm in my favourite walking spot this morning. So it's going to be a walking meditation. You've probably heard me say before, this is kind of the definition of what I started this channel to be. The very first episode was on a Monday. I said we were going to walk about, but we didn't. We sat on the patio instead. So today, you can do what I'm doing. You can take a wander like I am. If you've got the opportunity to be out in nature, make sure that you are, because there's a huge need to be kind of grounding and reconnecting. There's a theme that's running through the light field at the moment. All of the loose ends, maybe some of them quite uncomfortable, that need tying up are coming up, almost like it's an extended retrograde that just goes on until whatever needs to be sorted is finalised. It's an expression of lower frequencies moving into their higher state, the releasing of emotion. Now, one of the things that, apart from being out in nature, apart from kind of grounding, making sure that you're reconnected as much as possible, I always default to the violet flame. So this morning I'm going to, as I'm walking, bring through the golden rainbow fire. Now this might be a version of the violet flame that you're already familiar with, or if you're new to the channel, this came through in 2021 and 2022, and it's a beautiful shared pool mixture of violet flame energies. But the special part about it is there's a little bit of every single archangel and ascended master, dragon, unicorn, benign extraterrestrial, earth masters. We've all put our energies into this. It's incredibly powerful, a little bit like the Mahatma energy. So just close your eyes, or you can walk and speak the words at the same time. Or if you're sitting, place your hand upon your heart. I am the golden rainbow fire. I am the peace the world requires. I am the power of unity. I'm the essence of higher love. I'm the key to pristine sight. I'm archangels, the masters, and all that is. I'm the golden rainbow fire. Let's take a few moments to breathe that energy into your bodies and your fields. Feel it lighting up the cells of your physical. Our physical is really detoxing at the moment. Detoxing the things that we don't need, the things that we've been carrying for lifetimes. It transfers from the emotional and the mental, the karmic body, the astral bodies, to be expelled through the physical. And the violet flame, the golden rainbow fire, or the fire of the one true heart, or the lilac fire of source, any of these versions will be incredibly beneficial. So golden rainbow fire. Feel it moving through every cell of your body. And again, I am the golden rainbow fire. I am the peace the world requires. I am the power of unity. I am the essence of higher love. I am the key to pristine sight. I am archangels, the masters, and all that is. I am the golden rainbow fire. Breathe it in. After the second invocation, you might be aware of it coming down from the heavens or moving in from an outside source all around you. Or you might actually find that there is an abundance of the essence of the golden rainbow fire already within your chakras because you've used it before and it's activating. It's coming out now. Sense and feel it within every aspect of you, physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Most importantly, this morning, allow it to wash through your karmic body and your astral body. Now, if you're not aware of the presence of the astral body, it is part that is being closed down, that has been cleared at the moment, something that bound us to our third dimensional reality. So the third invocation, let's focus on clearing the astral body, or at least filling it with the golden rainbow fire. I'm the golden rainbow fire. I'm the peace the world requires. I'm the power of unity. I'm the essence of higher love. I'm the key to pristine sight. I'm archangels, the masters, and all that is. I'm the golden rainbow fire. Now, as you become aware of the golden rainbow fire pouring into your astral body or your astral room, your previous astral connection, see all of your previous limitations, your fears, your connections to the third dimension, the things that are binding you to the more earthbound aspects of your existence, the limitations of 3D. Just feel the golden rainbow fire pouring through this now. This could be something that you're already working on, or this could be something new. It's up for release now. So feel your room, see your body, the astral body. Send it love, because it needs lots of love at the moment. But just see it lit up so very brightly. Good morning.
Hi.
Hello. And just keep breathing it in. Now, as you're breathing in golden rainbow fire and breathing it out, if you're not in a nature setting, just close your eyes and visualise yourself sat in your favourite space. Could be at the foot of a tree, could be by a river, could be out in a lovely field with the countryside all around you. Might be in a hot, sandy place. Just feel that peace, that tranquility washing through you. It's squidgy round here. And continue to breathe and relax. So you can use the golden rainbow fire on a continual basis. You could start using it in the morning, as we are now, and have a continual flow of it throughout your entire day. You can call it in, you can ask Archangel Zadkiel or the angelic keeper of the golden rainbow fire pool to just keep you filled with it at all times. But keep working on that astral body. It will be coming up more and more at the moment. I'll be talking about it. There'll be others that will be focusing on it now that we know that it's there and what it's doing. And you might have been aware of it. So now I am going to be joined by the lovely Alice Heath tonight at 7 p.m. for our workshop, working with the Lords of Sirius and the Lords of Lyra bringing through your Royal Codex and Divine Cosmic Abundance, and that starts at 7 p.m. tonight. Then at the same time, on the 11th, I'm joined by Paul Dobree-Carey for the Wisdom of the Sphinx. Looking forward to both of these events, and it won't be long before I'm in Finland. So there is a 2-day event in Helsinki coming up with Lavisa Altorn and myself. We also will be joined by Anna Indra Larsen. So if you haven't heard or seen that, the details will be in the content underneath. And looking forward to seeing you all soon. If you're joining us tonight, see you online at 7. Lots of love. Bye for now.